Top quality, raw materials, passion, and the right dose of blend. This is what you need for the perfect coffee. This is why Fiorenzato has developed coffee grinders with patented XGi technology. XGi coffee grinders are the only ones to incorporate scales that weigh the entire appliance, and, after grinding coffee, by difference calculates the dose of coffee that was dispensed with the utmost precision. The real innovation of the XGi system is the internal software, which guides the process for the recalculation of the doses and grind size adjustments, allowing coffee grinding to auto-calibrate and always dispense the nominal gram set, irrespective of variables or millsware. Obtaining the correct quality of blend is extremely easy. Simply put the filter holder onto the fork, like a traditional on-demand grinder. Select the desired doses and serve the perfect coffee. With XGi Coffee Grinder by Fiorenzato, it's easy to make an impeccable coffee, always made with the same quality of blend. Because the quality in a cup is also a matter of weight.